Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Regular expressions, regex or regexp, are a powerful tool for pattern matching and text manipulation in Python. They allow you to search for specific patterns within strings, extract information, and perform various text processing tasks. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to use Python's remodule to find the positions and values of matches in a string. Regular expressions are a sequence of characters that define a search pattern. They are commonly used for tasks like Python's remodule provides tools to work with regular expressions in your code. Before we dive into extracting positions and values of matches, make sure you have Python installed on your system. Python's remodule is part of the standard library, so there's no need to install any additional packages. You can import the remodule like this. To find matches in a string using regular expressions, you'll typically use the research function. Here's a basic example. In this example, research searches for the pattern fox within the text string. If a match is found, it returns a match object, and you can use .group to get the matched text. Now, let's dive into getting the positions and values of matches. To do this, we'll use the refindItHere function, which returns an iterator yielding match objects. We can then extract the match positions and values. Here's how you can do it. In this example, the pattern \b\w plus \b matches whole words in the text. refindItHere returns an iterator over all matches, and we extract the match positions, start and end, and values using the match.start, match.end, and match.group methods, respectively. Let's put it all together into a complete code example. Suppose we want to find all email addresses in a given text and print both their positions and values. This code will identify and print all email addresses in the given text along with their positions. Python's remodule provides powerful tools for working with regular expressions, allowing you to find and manipulate text patterns within strings. By using refindItHere, you can easily get both the positions and values of matches, making it a versatile tool for text processing tasks. Remember that regular expressions can be complex, so practice and experimentation are key to mastering them. ChatGPT